Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to report Instagram account. Now, this can be done for a multitude of reasons. So let's say that this person or this account is impersonating you or is bullying you or is harassing you. Any of these reasons could be a valid reason for you to report the account. Now, how do you do this? Now, search for the account that you want to report, or you can just select any post or comment that this account has published or used. Once you have that, you can quickly click on the three dots, whether it be a post or a message, and then just click on report. After this, you can, specify a reason where it's either a post or it's either a message that they've sent you, or there's something about this account that you don't like. Just click on the appropriate option and then you will get other options that are available. So as you can see, the first one is they're pretending to be someone else, maybe under 13, or it's just something else. I'll just click on this as, this person might be impersonating me. Then you can go ahead and click on the option available, and then you can quickly describe your problem. I'll click on scam, click on submit. And once again, it will ask you to restrict and block this account. Quickly check all the options available, click on done, and that is it. You have now successfully reported this account. And this can be done, as I said earlier, to messages and posts as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can report on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.